What's going on, guys? This is Electrical Inspector Gregory here with another video. This one is yet another video on the Poland series, and for anyone who doesn't know, I've been making these videos for a past couple weeks now here working in Poland, and it's basically a 6-week working period here just for a challenge to see how I would be making money as a electrical inspector here in Poland. And today's video has a really nice topic here. I'm gonna show you real quick. So there's a reason why I've been carrying these 2 washing machines with me the whole day, and they're still following me. And I'm going to keep doing that for the rest of the day and then get rid of them, absolutely just rid of them. But for now I need to watch them. And I'm gonna tell you why that is. It's a funny story, and it has to do with the external battery, which everyone knows that it's not supposed to be in a washing machine. But back to what I was doing here, I was just checking the regular TTC ground wires here. And for example, this one nicely goes into the transmitter, everything is okay. I've already checked it for any energy leaks, nothing, and also I don't think there are any suspicious electromagnetic fields around it. And any time I detect an electromagnetic field around a ground wire, I always get like suspicious. And this is actually my glove here, and that gloves comes into play whenever there is electromagnetic field, because then I know there is some side currents. And when there are side currents, shit is scary. So what a side current is, it's basically if, for example, in this pipe somehow there was electricity going from the wires to the pipe, which in Poland is definitely possible. I've seen this a couple of times already inspecting, so it's not unusual. So then this one would have some kind of side current, and that is dangerous, fire hazard, even like hazard for humans. Terrible. But yeah, back to my microphone just fell off, but now I have it. Back to these bad boys, and why are they here? So the thing is, in Poland there's a big problem. So every time they are making these washing machines, there's a new trick all the time, and that is basically because it has become very strict for the EU restrictions, and those factories that manufacture this, they don't really like those restrictions. So they use bribed electrical inspectors. Basically, there are people checking if a product should be sold and should be given to people, and those people unfortunately nowadays are being bribed. So these machines are not what they're supposed to be, they're not safe, and there are a couple things that have been done. So normally you would make a washing machine in the factory, and then it would be checked to be safe, and then you could sell it. Now there is no checking, there is just the people, there's just a couple of people with certificates that are being paid for basically claiming this one to be safe, when in reality it's something different. I don't even know if they looked inside of this. For example, this washing machine had a lithium battery inside of it, and the weirdest part is that the battery is still not for energy. You see, here is a normal wire. So why is there a battery there? The battery basically just used as a big capacitor. So it's a component that is pretty regulated for its big current and fire hazard, and those are pretty expensive. So what they use is lithium batteries from China, unregulated, to substitute for that part, and it still works for a couple of years, but it's just a matter of time, because the battery gets like charged against its own current over the time. So it's a ticking time bomb, really. So I really need to take it as soon as I inspected this in the like the general area of this house. You know, it's an apartment building, and there is a area where everyone gets to go, like to hang out and host parties and all that sort of stuff. So this was found there, and I don't trust it at all. There's the battery inside. It's been overcharged for like 1.5 years, and no way I'm trusting it. I need to watch it and it's coming with me during the day, during the inspection, and then after my working day, I'm gonna get rid of it, get it out from this house, and it's so scary, because this is literally the reason why there has been so many house fires in Poland lately. This is the reason. And this other washing machine wasn't as bad. There is no battery inside, but they just used a bunch of like unprotected wires, which is always bad. Like, there was a lot of hot glue, and then the wires were like, it almost felt like a miracle that this thing had only 3 short circuits. But again, I just don't trust it. It's a fire hazard, and I need to get rid of it. But the whole problem is because they are trying to go against those regulations, and just the inspectors are getting paid to not inspect, which is like, it's literally the opposite. It's so unintuitive to me that these people are literally getting paid to not to inspect a thing, and rather just write down that it was okay when it really wasn't. And this is a big problem, and those people are making a lot of money, and now I have to be scared for my life, even being in the same room with this machine. Jesus Christ. But yeah, thank you for watching. And this wasn't supposed to be a video, but I just needed to make this because it's just such a big problem, and I kind of needed to talk about this, because this thing has been freaking me out for the whole day. And yeah, this one really helped me. So if you stayed back here or end of this video, like, tell me, because you really helped me, and thank you for doing that. It's really, like, I really love it. You can see it, I'm kind of freaking out here, but I really love it that you guys are able to support me with this journey here in Poland. Yeah, bye.